Welcome to Module 3, Lesson 1, Part 6. Geopolitical factors that play a significant role in Forex trade. 1. Political stability and instability. The political stability or instability of a country's political environment can affect its currency's value. Countries with stable political systems and predictable policies tend to attract more foreign investment, leading to an appreciation of their currency. Conversely, political instability such as civil unrest or frequent changes in government can lead to a depreciation of the currency as investors become wary of risks. Trade relations and tariffs. Geopolitical tensions related to trade relations, imposition of tariffs, and trade disputes between countries can significantly impact Forex markets. Trade tensions can lead to reduced trade volumes, affecting countries' economic growth prospects and their respective currencies. Economic sanctions. The imposition of economic sanctions on a country can have severe consequences for its economy and currency. Sanctions can restrict trade, access to financial markets, and foreign investment, leading to currency depreciation. 4. Geopolitical conflicts and wars. Armed conflicts, wars, and geopolitical crises can cause significant volatility in Forex markets. Investors may view countries involved in conflicts as riskier, leading to a flight to safety and appreciation of safe haven currencies. Geographical location and natural disasters. Countries located in regions prone to natural disasters such as earthquakes, hurricanes, or tsunamis may experience negative impact on their economies and currencies. Natural disasters can disrupt trade, damage infrastructure, and affect investor confidence. Regional integration and alliances. Geopolitical factors can also be influenced by regional integration efforts and alliances between countries. For instance, the formation or dissolution of economic blocs like the European Union can impact currency dynamics among member countries. Energy and commodity prices. Geopolitical events in major oil-producing regions or commodity-exporting countries can affect energy and commodity prices. Changes in these prices can have implications for currencies of both exporting and importing nations. Political leaders and policy shifts. The political leaders' policies and their economic stances can influence the Forex market. Announcements related to fiscal stimulus, infrastructure spending, tax policies, or monetary measures can cause market reactions. Global geopolitical environment. The overall geopolitical climate, including international relations and global security concerns, can create uncertainty and risk sentiment affecting Forex markets. Events such as international summits, G7 meeting, and geopolitical summits can have market-moving implications. The United States Federal Reserve, often simply referred to as the Federal Reserve or the Fed, is the central banking system of the United States. It plays a critical role in the country's monetary policy, financial stability, and overall economic well-being. The Federal Reserve was created in response to financial panics and crises in the late 19th and 20th centuries, with the Federal Reserve Act signed into law in 1913. Thank you. Let's meet in the next lesson.